Hey mate, so just taking a look at, this is the last week of your ads. I noticed that the purchase pixel, it was placed on the page, but for some reason there was an issue with it, so it wasn't actually giving us back any purchase info. So that's why I just wanted to double check that list with you. So in ClickFunnels, it looks like we've had 9, I think, or quite a few sales in the last 7 days, which is awesome. So hopefully, not if whatever ones were referrals, then we can kind of deduct that the rest are from the ads. So we're showing for 2 for the week, but I think that's a little bit low. But the other stats I wanted to show you. So we spent $140 last week. No, sorry, 280. 2 purchases registered, so 280 for the week. But if we look at all these web info ads, so these web payment info ads, if I look at the whole campaign, we've had 86 for the week, so that's massive. So that's someone going to this page here. So when they hit that, so they go to the second page where they actually go to pay. So the purchase pixel is obviously on the page after this, so once they make the purchase. So that wasn't firing properly. There was an error with it. So I think we had a conversion value in there, which was screwing up the code. But we've had 86 people hit this page in the last week, which is huge. So even if we had 10% of those people come in or whatever, that's really good, really strong signs. So what I've done is just set up now a retargeting the info ads, so payment info, people who hit this page but didn't purchase. So I've just launched this at $5 a day just to try and convert a couple of those. So I've just got that same video. I think the videos are good as well. You mentioned the other day, you asked me if you wanted some new videos, which they're cool. So I've just got g'day there, don't miss out on brand new interactive live coaching, blah, blah, blah. So it's just more of a targeted ad, and that just sends them directly back to that page, this page here, to finish their sign up. So maybe, I don't know if you want, I was going to mention it, but I don't know if you wanted to, but we could put something in here like, hey, sign up now before the price rise on the 1st of August. So something like that. I would just maybe create a bit of urgency. So if you want to do something like that, let me know as well, and I can just change that ad around. But yeah, looking really, really good in terms of all the other stats other than the purchases, which we can't track at the moment, but every other stat is really good, like 29, 25, 22. A lot of people are going through this page and going through the funnel. So whether or not we change this around, or I don't know, but it's looking good, mate. I'm pretty happy with it. So if we look at sales came through ClickFunnels in the last 7 days, we've got 9. So that's all of them there. So yeah, it's pretty good. I'll work through the Kajabi that you sent through as well. So I'm going to look at that, and I'll put that into that Brett McFall style messenger bot ad, and I'll shoot that through to you. Sabo.